you guys today about sunlight. I think when we shop at our local nursery and we look at the plant tags that are stuck into those little plastic containers, we flip them over and we look at the amount of light that it says on the tag, and we interpret how much light is coming into our yard and will this work in that space. But I think there's an overall misunderstanding of what those symbols mean and what it would mean for your own yard. And it's a little bit complicated, so you guys buckle up. You ready? Full sun means 6 to 8 hours of full sunlight. No trees in the way, no plants that shade it out and block out sun at all. Full sun. So if you buy a plant that says full sun and it really needs part sun, it will probably burn. Part sun is going to be anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, and then something that like shade will be maybe a couple hours worth of sunlight. Now, keep this second layer in mind. Morning sun and after sun are two completely different bears. That morning sunlight is a very cool temperature sunlight. It's almost like a gentle sunlight, as opposed to that afternoon sunlight that is super, super hot and can really damage plants. So you want to make sure that you are planting something that can, if you got full afternoon sun, that can handle that super hot, harsh sun, as opposed to something that can handle the fewer hours of light, soft sunlight that happens in the morning. And I know that's not super descriptive and maybe not help out a ton, but these are just things that you guys should be keeping in mind when you look at those plant tags. It means, when it says full sun, it means full sun. So you have to make sure that you're putting it in the right plant in the right place, because that will always, in the end, save you guys money and so much heartache and stress. Go out there and read your labels and plant in the right place, guys.